Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix unable to authorize error on TikTok. So if you can't log in or authorize your account, here are some best fixes. So for that, first of all, check if TikTok itself is down. You can simply open up a browser and then in the search bar search for down detector. And just like that, inside here, search for TikTok. And if it's a server issue, you'll need to wait until TikTok fixes it. Also make sure you have a stable connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if needed. After that, you need to go ahead and simply close the TikTok application completely from your mobile device and then reopen it again. If that does not help, restart your iPhone or Android device to clear temporary glitches. And once you've done that, check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, open up your App Store and then in the search bar, search for TikTok. Once you search for it, go ahead and simply tap onto it, and if it says update instead of open, you need to go ahead and simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. And just like that, if you are using a VPN proxy or restricted network, TikTok may block the login attempt. So you can turn this off and then try again. That's it. That is how you can fix unable to authorize error in TikTok. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.